Good morning. Welcome to the online lecture session. So here it is the your syllabus, that is SE syllabus for second year engineering. So first see which is my subject and which subject which I am going to teach you. So in SE second year for semester first, you have total 5 subjects for theory and 2 subjects for practical application. So out of 5 subjects, that is your first subject is engineering mathematics 3, second is power generation technology, third is material science, fourth is analog and digital electronics, fifth one is electrical measurement and instrumentation, and next is application of mathematics and soft skill. So out of this subject, my subject, I am going to teach you the subject that is analog and digital electronics. That subject is I am going to teach you, that is ADE, analog and digital electronics. So in first lecture we will see what is the examination scheme for this subject, what are the total marks for this subject, what is the syllabus. In first lecture we will see all these things. So first we will see what is the examination scheme. Here it is the detailed syllabus for analog and digital electronics. So its subject code is 203143. So here it is the examination scheme. So here you have total 150 marks for this subject. Here according to subject, marks are different. Here for mathematics 3 marks are 100, but for ADE marks are 150. That is how 100 marks of theory and 50 marks for practical. So total marks for this subject is 150 marks. So how 100 marks of theory are divided, we will see. Previous the pattern was for AC, the pattern was 2050 pattern, that is of 50 marks pattern, that is 50 marks for online and 50 marks for theory. But now for 2020 and 21, the pattern for secondary is 2090 pattern. According to that pattern, the 100 marks are divided into 2 parts, that is 30 marks for in same and 30 marks for end same. Means you have 2 theory paper, one is of in same, that is 30 marks, and next is end same, that is of 70 marks, and practical is of 50 marks. So total 150 marks are present for this subject. So before studying this subject, you require the basic knowledge, that is prerequisite, means you require the basic knowledge of basic electronics engineering. So you have studied the basic electronics engineering subject in first year. So for studying this subject, you will require whatever you have learned in that subject. You have to first revise that, and then you will get clear idea about this subject, because basic of this subject you have learned in first year, that is in subject basic electronics engineering. So what is the syllabus for this subject? So in ADE you have total 6 units, that is unit 1, unit 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So for this subject 100 marks you have total 6 units, and for 50 marks, here it is the list of experiment. So here total 13 experiments are there. Here total 13 experiments are there. Out of that we have to perform 8 experiment, and we will see this experiment at the time of practical session. So first here it is your syllabus, that is unit 1 is, there are 2 types of circuit in ADE, that is combinational and the sequential. So first unit is of design of combinational circuit, second unit is of design of sequential circuit, and unit number 3 there are total all memories. We have to study the various digital memories. Next one is operational amplifier application. Unit 5 is of other analog circuit, means other than op amp, IV converter. We have to study other analog circuit, and unit 6 is diode rectifier. So this is all about ADE subject, means this is the examination scheme, total subject. Now from next lecture we will start our first unit, that is design of combinational circuit. So from today you first revise your whatever you have learned in basic electronics engineering. So from tomorrow we will see our first unit, that is design of combinational circuit. Thank you.